What do you want? Is this your box? Whose box is this? Oh, is it your box? Okay, hold on. Let's go over here. Ready? Okay, look out, Max. There's your box. Where you going? Hey! What's in that box? Do you need help? You getting in it? What's in there? Oh my gosh! Look what you got! Where are you going? Huh? Oh my goodness! Look at you! What'd you get, Pen? What'd you get? Can I take them? Can I take this? Can I have them? Oh! I can't have them, huh? Okay. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Did you get any toys? Yay! What'd you get? Huh? Oh boy! Oh, there goes the string. Oh, can you get him out? Oh my gosh, how many you have? You just have a ton, don't you? Oh, Pendleton, you could probably stop tearing the bag now. Look at you. Did you get one? Yay! Where'd it go? You're such a good boy. Okay. All right. I see you.